this animation was crazy. This animation took me for like an hour. Well, now I'm gonna play Roblox with my sister. Bye.
I need everyone to take a seat. Oh, I graded the exams from last class, and I am extremely disappointed in the scores that you guys got. No. Excuse me, what did I get? You cannot be serious right now. What? I'm just asking what I get. Does it look like I'm in the mood right now? Is that not class? No, Sid, tripping. I've been teaching for a long time now, and you're telling me the best score was a 22%? Excuse me, you gave us a history test. The study guy had math questions on it. I'm calling your parents. For what? I'm just saying because you think it's okay to speak when I'm speaking. Did I say you can speak? No, I'm angry for no reason. I gotta get out this class before you knock me out. That's crazy.
Mom, I'm tired. Can I sleep in your house tonight? Mom, is it alright if I stay for a year or two? Mom, I'll be quiet. It would be
like the daily twisted board. That increases the spawn rate of the twisted shown on the board for a day. New tunes and twisteds were introduced. We have cosmos, fit, listen, and scout, which means new trinkets to collect. There are new maps to discover. Existing trinket changes and adjustments, and many more. Expect a lot of Roger users, since a lot of players will be looking for research for the new twisteds.
I'm tired. Can I sleep in your house tonight? Mom, is it alright if I stay for a year or two? Mom, I'll be quiet. It would be just to sleep at night.
COD played in today's world. Entering the game for the first time, you were asked to pick your first tune to play. Tunes are the protagonists of the game.